Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to cancel pre-market order in Bitget. Pre-market order is a P2P order and here's how to cancel it. Firstly, log into your Bitget account and go to the P2P trading section from the main menu. Click the orders icon, which is the clock shaped in the top right corner of the P2P trading page. Then choose the correct tab based on your order status. Completed for successful trades and cancelled for orders that expired or were cancelled. Just a tip, use the search bar and enter the order ID for faster access. Now click on the order you want to appeal. This will redirect you to the order details page. On the order page, click questions regarding this order, depending on the case. Scenario 1. Appealing a cancelled order. If you already made a payment but the order was cancelled, place a new order from the same seller and upload payment of proof, then click Paid. And if no ads are visible, click File a Claim and go to Appeal a Form. If it's another issue, choose File a Claim directly. And if you completed order issues, follow the same appeal button prompts to submit and claim with your details and evidence. Now, you've learned how to submit a P2P appeal for cancelled or completed orders on Bitget's website or app. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.